Hello everyone, this is Rani here. You are watching English with Rani. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm not gonna impart vocabulary, idiom phrases or the phrasal verbs. So here today I come up with few tips and tricks which is gonna enhance your communication skills. So you have to listen meticulously. Before that you have to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll get the notification. See, if you're liking, so somehow I'm getting motivated. It's kind of the self-motivation. If it is useful, you have to comment yes, it is useful, so that then I can make more videos, isn't it? So it is a motivation for me. Alright, let's move to our session, what exactly I'm going to impart over here. So here, if you want to learn how to speak fluently in English, so here I'm going to give some sort of tips and which is very prominent and significant. You should have to remember those things, okay? So listen to me meticulously and let's get started. So my first point is that you have to read and write. Now you might be obscured. Hey, who is going to read and write? See, this reading and writing help you to improve your construction of the sentences, and this is something which is very significant. Most of the people do struggle to construct sentence or format in the right way. So isn't it this is something which is important if you are giving the priority? So reading and writing will enhance your the grammar and the construction of the sentences, and this is something very significant. So you can prefer some sort of newspaper, you can prefer some videos, you can prefer some sort of YouTube channel or some websites which is exchanging English. Get it? So this is what the first significant point. And the next point, learn vocabulary. Learning new vocabulary will make you express your ideas, or that make you express or elaborate your insights, your perceptions, your thoughts, your ruminations, and that is going to help you to express yourself, and that is going to be work. So what you have to do, learn every day new vocabs, idiom phrases and some sort of phrasal verbs. If you're bringing up some sort of phrasal verbs, that is going to give an impact in your communication, okay? This is something which is very significant. So this is the process which you can go through with that, okay? So the next point, listen to the native speakers. Listening to the native speakers will enhance your pronunciation and intonation. So this is something which is very significant, and for that now in this era there's many platforms which is available. You can go through with some applications, you can go through with the websites, you can listen to podcasts as well, right? You can listen to podcasts, you can watch web series or some sort of TV shows. That's what you can prefer, and this is going to be enhance your intonation, how to speak, how to pronunciate some particular thing, and this is going to develop your fluency. Alright, and the third point. Now the third point is, do not focus on accuracy. Do not focus on accuracy. What you have to do is, you should have to focus on the accuracy. You should have to focus on fluency. Why? Because the moment you start focusing on the fluency, the moment you gain some sort of confidence, and this confidence plus fluency will build up by itself accuracy as well. I hope you get it. See, fluency, when you get it, you have some certain confidence within yourself. So when you acquire some certain confidence, this confidence make you feel more bolstered. Then you will be capable enough to put forward your insights or perception front of the people. Because being hesitant, you cannot impart your thoughts to anybody. You cannot impart your contemplation. Okay, so if you really want to be a fluent speaker, in this case, you should have remembered, do not focus on the accuracy. Accuracy come by the time passes, slowly, gradually, when you start learning things. But once you're focusing on the fluency, then fluency give you some certain confidence, and which is very important. Okay, so let's move to the next point. Next point is very important. Now here what I'm going to tell you, you should have to practice consistently, regularly. Okay, because while you start doing something regularly, you start edifying slowly and gradually things. Okay, so once you do regularly, at least make an effort to speak in English every day. And if it is like you might be having less spare of time, less span of time as well, but just give few minutes, like 30 minutes, 20 minutes is something important. And the last point which I'm going to mention over here, nowadays, if you see this many platform, like plethora, myriads of platform which is available itself in YouTube and then Play Store. Go through with that, find it out, search from something new and get it from there, acquire or gather some sort of knowledge or content and keep on learning on the daily basis. Give very short of span of time, that is okay. But the thing is, you should have to keep on indulge yourself in practice.
Use
of those resources which is available for you, whatever the resources, websites, or maybe some certain applications where you can hit, and also that YouTube channel which is already vast where you can get new things for your content, right? So you can take those resources, adopt some sort of things from there and start speaking, because if you want to speak fluently, you should have to put little bit efforts, which is required, which is essential. So thank you so much. I have imparted the things which I was willing to, which I was feeling that yeah, I should have imparted those things. Maybe that is going to be beneficial for you if you keep on practicing on the daily basis and consistently you are making efforts, then definitely you're gonna learn. And this is what my vouch for you. See, we all do learn, we all do acquire things, but in which area we are putting our efforts, that is going to be shown. That is going to be appear in your personality. So here, my point is, follow up all those points and gradually you'll see the changes within yourself. And that's what you can do. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my session. Do like, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll get the notification. Bye-bye.
Right there on top of the moon, you could sit and do nothing.